There is war in Rivers State. And who are the dramatic personnel? Who are the actors? The actors are Governor Siminalayi Fubara versus Governor Siminalayi Fubara. Those are the actors of the war in Rivers State, not looming. When we say looming, it means that there seems to be that it's coming. We are at war in Rivers State. And because the governor is unteachable, and because the governor does not listen to counsel, even the counsel of Mr. President, APC Rivers State that I represent today is demanding for a state of emergency in Rivers State. It is the way out so that you and I will live in peace. We disassociate APC Rivers State from that uncanny, that uncute comment made by our former leader, a former minister of transportation of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, to the extent that 84% of Nigerians do not like Tinubu's government. We're here to absorb APC from that rubbish and to say that Rivers people and Nigerians support Mr. President. We just rose from a meeting from the South leadership meeting in Calabar. This resonated, it was resounding. One of the resolutions of that meeting was to congratulate Mr. President for his performance so far in 1 year, 365 days.